Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are doing good at home. How was the quarantine? Are you being safe at home? Yes, good. So, today onwards, we are going to start our video class. I welcome you all for the new grade as you have been promoted from grade 5, and my congratulations for you. So, before starting the session, I would like to inform you that everyone should be ready with your note and pen for every class. Okay, so that it would help you to make the notes what you are observing from a class. Okay, dear. So pause the video and be ready with your notes. Are you ready now? Shall we start the class? Good. So the first topic that we are going to see in grade 6 computer science is Introduction to Windows and MS Office. So last previous grade itself you would have read about some interesting topics on the computers. So what are the applications, how to use that, and how to make some drawings, images, or whatever it may be that you have studied. Okay, so in this chapter you are going to learn in detail about MS Office package. Okay, what are all the things in it, and what the way it is used for us, and how to apply it. Okay, dear. So let me get into the topic now. Okay, so take down the notes. The first thing we are going to see in that is software. Okay, so a computer functions because of the software. Without software, it cannot function properly. Okay, so what is meant by software? A software is a set of programs written to the computer for its effective working. So a set of programs is called as software. Okay, what is meant by program? Set of instructions. So whatever the computer works, it worked on basis of our instructions. Okay, so what the instructions we are giving to the computer, it works on it. It cannot work on its own. Okay, so we human being, that user, we have to give set of instruction to the computer. Okay, so that set of instruction is called program, and that set of programs is termed as software. So this software is very helpful for the computer to function properly and successfully. Okay, then this software is classified into two types. One is system software, another one is application software. Okay, dear. So take down the notes. First, software is nothing but a set of programs. Okay, so what is meant by software? Software is nothing but set of programs. So set of programs is called as software. It is classified into two types. One is system software, another one is application software. Okay, dear. So after this we are going to see the next one, that is what is system software. So what is meant by system software? So system software is used by all the computers. So whenever you start your computer till you shut down, this system software runs in it, and it is useful to manage the overall operations that is carried out on the computer. Without the system software, a computer cannot work properly. Okay, the best example for the system software is operating system. We usually call this as OS. This operating system is the best example of the system software. Okay, this operating system is further classified into CUI, character user interface, and GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, character user interface CUI and graphical user interface GUI. Before that, what is meant by interface? Do you know that? Interface. No idea. Okay, no problem. Let me say you. Interface is nothing but the interaction with the system and the user. User is nothing but we, human being. Okay, so the interaction between us. So the information giving and getting, or receiving and sending, whatever it may be. So the interaction between human being and the system, that means computer, is called the interface. So this interface, if it is given through the instructions, that is if it is given through commands, it is called character user interface. That is, character by character we are giving the instruction to the computer. Okay, that is called character user interface. The next one is graphical user interface. By the name itself, you can identify graphical. So, graphics, if the instruction is given to the computer through images, pictures, or icons, it is termed as graphical user interface. So, this is the difference between the character user interface and graphical user interface. Okay, the next one, the example of the character user interface and GUI, graphical user interface. The first example is MS-DOS. So you could see a screen on it. So the black screen. So you could see that every instructions are given in the character wise. So everything it is given in the headed arrows, closed headed arrows. You could notice that in the screen. So this is called the character user interface. That is, MS-DOS is the best example for that. So in this way, the computer has been instructed to work. Okay. So the next one is graphical user interface. So this screen, Windows is the best example of the graphical user interface. So in the screen, could you identify all the things are given in image format, isn't so? So the picture. So if you want to know what is it in the computer, we can click that computer icon. So if you want to see the mouse operations, we can click that mouse picture here in the inner video. Then the inner screen. Then if it is a connection problem, if it is connected to the internet, the modem through this. So each and every operations, that everything is identified through the images or pictures. Okay dear. So this is the best example of the Windows. So these are the two things, graphical user interface and character user interface. Hope you understand this. So once again, take your notes back and sum up what we have learned today. Okay, so the first thing what we have seen is the computer functions because of software. So what is software? Software is a set of programs written to the computer. It is classified two types, system software, application software. The next thing, what is system software and what is the example of it? So, and next thing, operating system, that is classified into two types, character user interface and graphical user interface. And the next thing, the example of the character user interface is MS-DOS and the example of graphical user interface is Windows. Okay dear. So once again, check your notes whether you have taken everything. The final thing for you is today's activity. Draw some icons and write its description. Okay, example, bold. So you will know the bold icon, how it looks like, the bold button, and cut. So everything. So make a note of it and record all your activities. That means take the photos and send it back to your class teacher. Okay. So enjoy your class. See you in the next class.